Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel and mail's in. I might have ordered, or had Darren order, a doll, but I need her. You know, that's my new thing. I've got to either need it or really, really want it for before I buy a doll. This one, both. I've been wanting her. I'll tell you the story in a minute. This is from AliExpress. These are for fingernails. A lot of black cats. I like this one. Looks like a high heel. Valentine's Day. These are for Blythe doll eyelids. And what I do is I paint the eyelid and then put a nail sticker on it and then put a clear coat over that. So I'm excited. These are here. These are particularly for 3 dolls that I'm doing. And they did not get here too quickly. So I am happy about that. Actually, let me rephrase. I need these soon. Didn't get here too quickly. And they did not take too long from when I ordered them. I got a doll. You might be surprised at what doll. I bought another endless hair Dreamtopia Barbie 17-inch. I love this doll. She is the same doll as this doll. This doll here was my absolute favorite for a very long time. I love her. She is so articulated. It is so fun, and she's fun to sew for. Cute doll. Love the hair. So here's the quick story. What do we have? 3 of these now or 4? I ordered this. I got my first Dreamtopia on eBay used. I saw her, I liked her, I bought her. She came, I liked her more than I thought. Well, this is kind of a interesting box. Let's see what we got here. And started sewing for her, liked her more and more. I actually went and, let me turn this off and destroy this box. As you can see, it was traumatic getting her out of the box. You had to be especially careful not to cut this hair. First thing I notice is the hair on this doll is not as thick as it is on this doll. Well, maybe it is. Maybe it is. We ordered this doll. I was looking at them on eBay. And Darren went and looked on Amazon?
Walmart, actually.
Walmart.
This one came from.
And this doll, with free shipping, was $35, which came out cheaper than a lot of the dolls that don't have clothes or shoes or what have you on eBay. New in the box with all of her stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you her in a minute, but I wanted to point out, I'm going to save this. And the reason is it has so many flat surfaces of this see-through plastic that I can use for other crafts. And because it's a flat, large surface, you can do a lot with that. So let me set that to the side and show you this doll. I have been wanting this doll. I started to tell you the story. I guess it's been a couple years now. Had her on my channel all the time. I wanted the girl that looked like the American Indian and Latino, black, however you see her. I see American Indian. And I went on eBay and I was looking, and Darren went and ordered me one. Well, she came and I didn't want to take her out of the box. You know how I am. So he ordered another one, and she ended up different. This is a different dress than the original Dreamtopia Barbie. And one came in the one dress and the other came in the other, and well, you know me. So anyway, here I am with my third one out of the box. I have some plans for her, but let's look at this. How cool is her articulation. I mean, she can move. Not as much as this one, I don't think, but I am so pleased. Her head, her arms, her hands twist and turn. She twists and turns at the elbow. Her legs twist at the knee. Let's see if she can ride a horse. I can't remember. Not really. We could make it so by the time she sat forward on a horse, if she had an Arabian or something, maybe. Pretty face. That's what I really like. I love their faces. I love the skin tone. Really nice doll. Okay, so here's her little dress, of which I will put up. It's just a little princess dress, very pretty. I'm sure a lot of little girls would love it. Here is a cool thing. These little brushes open up for you to store all of her or your little hair items in. She comes with 2 hair combs that you stick in the hair to hold it, and a barrette, which is a bow, all of this matching her outfit. Could you see that, or was my hand in the way? She also comes with 4 tiaras, and well, she's wearing a crown, I guess. And then this is more of a headband. And then we have a tiara and a headband, I suppose it is. And all of that fits, I probably won't get it in there, but all of this fits inside this brush, which if you are a doll photographer, how handy is that? Oh, I didn't get it in. There we go. No, did I get it? Yeah, I did. It just doesn't click very loud. I think that is fantastic. And a lot of these dolls do come with some of their stuff because it was stored in here. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Oh, one more thing. Darren made her a stand. I love these stands. They are just top notch. The 3D printing gives it a little bit of friction, so the doll doesn't slide as easily as it does on some of the other doll stands. Oh, come on, stand up now. Now that I've showed you how articulate she is, I can't get her to stand straight. There we go. And she is going to be wearing a new outfit very soon. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment. Do you have one of these? Would you consider getting one? They are 17 inches tall. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not. And please subscribe.